Today's a Sunday morning, so I'm now heading to a local Gymkhana event.
Hi! So now I'm on my way to Toge Auto Parts to find a replacement engine for my Safiro because the previous engine is officially dead after a few donuts only, which is freaking shit. So now it's time to spend some money, get a replacement engine to my Safiro, and hopefully the car will be done in a short period of time, which I really hope that will happen. But there seems to be like so many things that needs to be done, so let's see how it goes. So now we're at Toge Auto Parts.
Alright, so today's a Sunday morning, so I'm now heading to a local Gymkhana event as a spectator, not competing today. So let's head on over there and see what's going on. So now I'm at the venue of where the Gymkhana is going on, and as you can see, this is one of our cars. And now let's move on to see some of the drivers. Being lazy as usual. Okay, so now here we have Chun. So Chun, kinh anh gió sao ga?
Bề phái.
Bề phái à? So lúc cầm cờ điều cost anh gió?
Bề phái vẫn.
Bề phái là. Okay, now we are here with Wayne.
Hello.
So Wayne, kinh anh gió lúc cầm cờ điều?
OK啊，比較弱，
Cà giọt là. Đã lúc cầm cờ điều cost anh gió, anh gió bùi anh gió.
隔型咯。
So lúc cầm cờ điều kinh tế quý mẹ?
可能地撈。
Tệ là. Mày là, mày tệ là. Okay, guys, so you look at him.
Yo.
Look at him.
Same is that same?
They look like brothers, don't they? Alright guys, so we got Hans here from RGMT. So he's the organizer of the Gen X Time Attack at Elite. And so bila event round 2?
Supposed to be after a year. We estimate on this August. I try my best to make it on August lah, you guys.
Okay guys, August, remember, get your car ready. Don't say bocil.
Get ready lah. Ayah itulah, tayar bocor lah, bumbung bocor lah. Ini orang macam-macam.
Okay, get your car ready. So here we have Andrew Hua. So Andrew, what do you think about today's competition?
It's very competitive because KL people is here, so I'll try my best.
So what do you think about the course today?
It's more to a rear wheel drive course lah. but somehow I'll try my best.
So do you reckon the podium finish today?
Probably yes. I'll try my best for podium. But so far, I think I'm in the 3rd place in front wheel drive. Hope I get better result at the end of the day.
So today he'll be driving the Simply Epic Putra, so he better win. Okay, so what do you think of the event so far?
I think maybe it's okay, but I don't know why there's no PA system. I mean, an event you have to have PA system as basics, but I can understand because it's a small event, yeah.
Event must have PA system. Okay, so what do you think of the driver standard here today?
Driver standard is about the same because every time the Gymkhana competition is almost the same faces. Well, there is like a few new faces that we haven't seen yet. So we're kind of happy about that because, you know, Gymkhana needs new blood, new racers to come in because there's so many OG racers in the competition, and every time it just seems that the same people is winning and it's getting like really boring, yeah.
So to you people out there that feels like you want to get into motorsport, you can try out Gymkhana as is one of the easiest and most budget one. As what she said just now, we need more new blood.
It's a low budget race.
So, Kinji, nhà tiêu nó lấy poi ăn cho.
Về phái, good experience. Very good.
So, today you win 2 category. How? What is your thought?
A bit disappointed lah. No first.
No first, so you got what? Second
and fourth.
Fourth.
One, two, three，看我的先，1、2、3，OK。